Hello, welcome back to BCBR. We're out here on a Saturday afternoon and we're going to look at a gift beer that was given to me by my friend Marcel. He took a trip out to Arizona and he bought up some beers and mailed them back to me. This one is from the Belching Beaver Brewing Company. They are out of Oceanside, California. He was able to get this in Arizona. Looks like he paid $2.17 for it. There's a sticker. This is a collaboration with the music band Deftones. Now, I'm not really that familiar with them. I went and looked at them on YouTube, and not really my cup of tea, but I only checked out one or two songs. This one is called Phantom Bride India Pale Ale, and it's a 7.1% ABV. We got a 12-ounce can. Really nice can art. Got like a beaver skull right there. And I saw TK just reviewed this beer. Beer a Day with TK. Does great reviews. Unfortunately, his can was about a year old. And this can was brewed on January 8th of 24. So it's not quite 2 months old yet. So this can is fresher. So, hoping for good things here. I forgot to bring my paper out with the notes on it. So I'm going to go get it, and a little delay in between, I will edit it out. Alright, I'm back. I brought the wrong notes out with me the first time. This one gets a 3.87 with 70,000 reviews. 7.1% ABV, 55 IBUs. The brewery was established in 2016. So that's enough of that. Let's get it out of this can and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, smells good. Real nice hoppy aroma. Fruity, grapefruit, maybe pineapple. Let's see. It is fairly hazy, but not completely hazy. You can see my finger there behind it. Nice head on it. Real nice aroma. Very, very satisfying aroma. Let's see if the taste is anywhere near as good as that aroma. Look at that fluffy head. Let's try that. Very good. The head has a pretty good pine note to it, pine flavor. All right, let's dive into the body. Cheers. Medium mouthfeel, a little bit on the light side of medium. A little bit of pine, a little bit of grapefruit. I think the aroma was actually better on this one than the flavor is. Kind of more bold. This is a nice IPA. It's not super fantastic. It's not something I'm going to remember. It has only a little bit of bitterness. And it's kind of a little bit on the pithy side. Sweetness is what you would expect with these kind of IPAs. It's pretty standard, middle of the road sweetness. It is easy to drink, kind of refreshing. It doesn't taste bad. It's pretty good. It just doesn't really, set off any fireworks. But I would try it if you can find it. It's not bad. And the score on Untappd is 3.87. I think that's pretty close to accurate, what it should be. I'm going to give it a 3.75. Now, if I could score it more precisely, I would probably put it right at 3.87. So I'm going to mark it on Untappd as a 3.75. It's good. It's not great. It's enjoyable. It's a nice IPA. Belching Beaver. I love the name. I love the aroma, but the flavor is not quite good enough to call it great. You know what I mean? So that's it. Thanks for checking in, everybody. Thank you very much, Marcel, for sending me the beers. I got, I think he sent me 6. I got 5 more to do, I think. I can't remember. I'm getting too old to remember these kind of things. All right, I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.